Hi there! Let's walk you through the simple process of connecting Google Analytics to StoreSEO app within your Shopify store. It only takes a few clicks, and you'll be able to view detailed organic data right inside your dashboard. First, log into your Shopify store and head over to the StoreSEO Analytics section. Once there, you'll spot the Connect to Google Analytics button. Go ahead and click it. A series of setup options will appear. Start by clicking Sign In Now. This will redirect you to Google's sign-in page, where you can select the account you want to use. Follow the prompts to verify your account, then click Link Now and allow to grant the required permissions. Next, submit your sitemap to Google so it can crawl and index your site properly. After that, enable instant indexing by selecting Allow Now and approving it on Google's side. Then click Grant Access to give StoreSEO the necessary access to Google Analytics. You'll be prompted to choose the Google Analytics property where you'd like your organic data to appear. Pick the right one and click Connect. That's all there is to it. The connection is now complete. To view the results, return to the Analytics section in StoreSEO, select your desired date range, and click Apply. Detailed organic metrics will appear directly in your Shopify dashboard. Connecting Google Analytics with StoreSEO allows you to monitor your store's organic performance without ever leaving Shopify. Give it a try and enjoy having all your key insights in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and subscribe to get more videos further. Thank you so much for watching.